friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start the automatic control systems, right? So first we will start with the basic definition of control systems. So in order to understand the control systems, so basically control systems are nothing but they are the electrical networks, they are electrical feedback networks, um, which is capable of controlling the whole system, right? We can change the output, we can change the input, and at the same time we can control the output of the system. This is the main funda and the fundamental concept used in this particular automatic control systems, right? So so we have learned the definition of control system. So it is a set of interconnected components that regulates the behavior of a device or process to achieve a desired state or outcome. Now let us understand this concept by the help of a block diagram and an example. The basic block diagram of control systems consists of four basic components. The first is the controller, which is nothing but your computer, which gives the instructions which are required for the changes in the system. And we have actuator, which is the basic element and device which is responsible for the change and which follows the instructions given by the controller. And then we have the system in general means the area in which the process is being taken out, or and then we have the temperature sensor, which is used to you know or any kind of a sensor. In this we are taking an example of a heating device or a heating example. That's why we are going to consider the sensor as temperature sensor. So let us understand the example with the help of this block diagram. Now the so this is an example we are taking here is home heating system, right? Now the main aim or the main purpose of this system is to maintain the home temperature around 20 degrees, right, or at 20 degrees you can say, right? The sensor here in the feedback system measures the current room temperature or the home temperature, right? Whatever the temperature which is currently present in the room, right? We are talking about the room or hall or anything that we consider. Now if the temperature sensor will consider the temperature which is currently being held at the room, and it will send the data to the controller, right? The controller will compare the present temperature with the required or desired temperature, right? So this controller and this temperature sensor will be compared here, right? And it will be compared and it will send to the controller. Then now this controller is programmed, right? And it is programmed to see if there are errors. If there is a large difference between the current temperature and the desired temperature, then the controller will make the necessary efforts to make it errorless, right? And it will give the required instructions to the heating device. Now let us suppose that the main aim or the main purpose is to keep the temperature at 20 degrees, right? But the current temperature is around 5 degrees Celsius. Now here there is a large difference between 5 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. Now the controller will give the instructions to the heating device that it really needs to heat around 15 degrees more, right? It need to increase the temperature 15 degrees more. So it will give the required instructions to the actuator, and the actuator, which is nothing but your heating device, will get on. It will get on and it will make the necessary arrangements and it will work on it. It will work on the instruction which is given by the controller, right? Now, and it will act on the present system, that is nothing but room we are considering here. And so the heating device will get on, right, and it will work on the instructions given by the controller, and it will make the temperature of the system, which is nothing but room. It will make the temperature of the room to 20 degrees, right? So this is how we can control the temperature of the temperature of a room or a hall or any considered system, right? So this is the basic understanding of your control system. Now when we compare to the normal systems, the normal systems are incapable of doing this automatically, right? We need to handle them manually. We need to handle them manually in order to change the temperature of the room, or in order to arrive at the desired result that we really want, right? So this is the basic difference. I hope you understand this concept, and in further videos we are going to get on with the more concept of these control systems, mechanical translation system and mechanical rotational systems. So stay tuned with the channel so that you get regular updates, and thank you for watching.
Like a captive